Everybody, Varun here from Language Academy, guys. Very proud to have Vatsal with me today. 88 overall, perfect 19 speaking, 19 one other module, and 86 and 88 in the remaining two modules. Congrats, Vatsal. I've seen you working hard over the last 2 years. Finally, it's done and dusted. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. I would like you to all the language staffs and you, because without you, it's not possible for me. I am like struggling. It's a long journey for me. I started like in 2020. I give few mock tests, like few tests and everything. I'm struggling in reading at that moment. Then I am very frustrating, like after 5-6 attempts. And then I just stopped. Then you call me and just motivate me to start again. And this November, this October I start again. And you told me like I'm struggling in reading, so just attend that all the reading lectures, that all special reading lectures. So from last 3 months, I attend all regularly, attend all the reading lectures. So it helped me a lot. And then
Yes, Vatsal, one more thing. You were last few attempts you were struggling in speaking, right? So you were getting 79, 76, 73, 74. We were not really sure what issue you are facing, what mistakes you're making. And this time from 74, 75, you have got a perfect 19 speaking. What did you change in speaking? Because there are few students out there, they're doing everything perfect in speaking, but still not getting the score. Any advice for them, please?
As you told me, like once I like give you mock tests regularly, so you give me a feedback like just speak normally when you like to talk in your normal life, because your speech is very important. If you don't focus on some words, like just speak normally and speak clearly. As you know, like in detail lecture, like if I try to speak 3 words and the last means last words, like speaking not I'm not speaking clearly. So you told me just try only 2 words, and in the repeat sentence the same thing. Like I know like what to speak, but like my clarity is I'm not speaking clearly. And so it's like so you told me just speak normally, and this exam I doing the same thing. Like I
So it's
I did the same
important.
thing.
It's important not to rush. It's very important that you speak in a calm and composed manner, because a lot of times students misunderstand fluency. They think if they'll speak fast, they'll get full points in speaking. That's not the case. You have to speak at an ease. You have to keep yourself calm and comfortable and focus on clarity. You need to make sure you speak in such a way that whatever you're speaking is understandable and you speak in flow as well. Any final piece of advice for students out there? The many students who've been trying for a long time, they're missing again and again. What kept you going on? Because earlier last year you started, you took a long break and then you started again. And now from the last 2 3 months, I'm seeing you regularly. I saw you regularly in the lab. What kept you going on and what pushed you to be there in the lab every day?
Like like I don't have enough time right now. Like my student visa finished in few months, so I'm thinking like I need to clear this exam anyhow. So in the daily I practice like 7 to 8 hours. Even I in the job I just practicing like continuous, give the mock test regularly. And it's like give the mock test, and like taking the feedback from Twitter is very important, so you know where you are lacking. Especially last few attempts I'm lacking in speaking. So you told me like where do I need to improve, and even just read aloud strategy. You told me like just try this one. Even if I'm not getting like 2 attempts, you still told me like just do these things, and then finally I get it.
That's 100% correct. Very important. You practice regularly, you are consistent, and you devote some time, because he has spent 7 to 8 hours every day, and that is something I believe is the main reason behind his success. Plus, you need to make sure you take regular mock tests and take feedback. When you get the feedback, you know what mistakes you're making and how to overcome the same, because whatever mistakes you're making in the mock test, you are likely to make the same mistake in the exam as well. It's better you rectify the mistakes in the mock test and give a perfect attempt and get a perfect score like Vatsal did. Congratulations and all the very best, Vatsal.
Thank you once again, sir.
That's it from this video, guys. Remember this thing: if Vatsal has done it, if I have done it, if thousands of students are doing it every day, you can do it as well. You just need to make sure you do not give up. You keep on going, understand the mistakes, work on your weakness, turn that into your strength, go and take the test and clear it in the very first go. Varun from Language Academy, I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.